How to use virtual card on Revolut. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use virtual card on Revolut. So to do that, first of all, launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you have logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the cards tab, which is on the top side of your screen. After that, in order to use a virtual card, first of all, let's add or get a virtual card. So we'll tap on the option get card and then choose virtual card. Now once you've done that, you can simply select the color of your virtual card. So for now, I'll simply leave it to the default color and then tap on the option get virtual card for free. Now once you've done that, you can simply label your card, meaning you can simply name your card whatever you'd like. So I'll simply name it test card and then tap on the option create card, and just like that, you will have successfully created a new virtual card on your Revolut account. And now in order to use your virtual card, you can simply tap on it, and then as you can see, it is saying no transactions yet. So if you want to do that, you can simply add your card to either your Google Wallet or your Apple Wallet, and once you've done that, you will be able to use your virtual card on Revolut. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.